Autry, Program Lead for Seattle Public Utilities Spill Response Team. I made a short video to highlight the PPE requirements and the ways that we can stay safe when we're responding to biological spills, including spills involving human waste. According to the New England Journal of Medicine, COVID-19, or the coronavirus, has the ability to stay on hard surfaces for up to 72 hours. It also has the ability to stay airborne for up to 3 hours. So for that reason, we need to do our part to protect ourselves and our partners at work and our families at home from contracting diseases that we come in contact with.
Preventing exposure to pathogens starts immediately. In this video, our responder is selecting Level C protection using a P100 rated air purifying respirator, or APR, along with Tyvek. During his donning process, he is ensuring a proper fit of his protective Tyvek coveralls, including the use of 2 sets of nitrile gloves, which will aid in the decontamination process. It is important to think not only about the task at hand, but what actions you can take now to improve doffing and disposal of PPE at the end without contaminating equipment while you yourself are contaminated. The APR is being adjusted to ensure proper fit. Remember to tighten all the straps to ensure proper seal, and check your seal by covering the intakes on your respirator and feeling for the mask to suck to your face. Once you have completed your work assignment, you should be in the mindset that everything you have used is possibly contaminated. Our responder is now taking the steps to fully decontaminate tools using a minimum of 10% bleach solution and/or sanitizing wipe that are approved for coronavirus. Proper decontamination requires that surfaces must remain wet with the cleaning solution for a minimum of 15 seconds. Having an idea of how you're going to manage your waste ahead of time is very important. This is another example of thinking ahead and developing your decontamination workflow process. Once tools have been decontaminated and stored, you'll need to take steps to decontaminate yourself and your PPE. In this case, the responder is using a universal absorbent pad in his waste container to step on while he decontaminates the tops and bottoms of his boots with a minimum of 10% bleach solution. Once that step is completed, the responder removes his outer gloves. He uses inner gloves to remove his APR, making sure to not touch his face or the straps. Now the responder removes his outer Tyvek coveralls and places them in the waste container, sealing the waste container with a zip tie that he had waiting at the back of the truck. He transitions to cleaning the inner doors where the tools are resting before he closes the box. The responder now removes his inner layer of gloves, sanitizing his hands before putting on a new pair of gloves for his final cleaning steps. The APR is cleaned using alcohol or an approved respirator cleaning wipe. It's important to not use surface cleaners as they are not approved for this application because they may cause skin reactions or irritations the next time the APR is used. Once the APR is properly stored, the responder takes a few extra sanitizing wipes with him to help with the next steps. While walking around the truck, the responder uses one of the wipes to clean the frequently touched surfaces on the exterior of the truck, ending up at the driver's door last. The wipe and gloves are disposed of, and the responder transitions into the vehicle after sanitizing his hands one more time. Once in the truck, areas that are frequently touched are wiped down. This includes the steering wheel, shifter, light buttons, armrest, and radio mic, amongst others. While these items were not used during the response, it's a good practice to regularly clean all work areas, including your vehicles.
Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on proper decontamination and keeping clean when you're responding to these types of spills. One of the things that the video didn't show was proper hand washing. While alcohol wipes or alcohol-based sanitizers are effective when no water is available, it does not replace hand washing. It's my hope that we can make more of these training videos to help improve social distancing and also have a living document that we can send new spill responders or we can refresh ourselves on by watching. If you have any questions or you have any other ideas for videos that we can make, please let me know. And as always, stay safe, stay clean, and stay healthy.